Huwag kayong maghintay. If you are ready right now, then yes, so older express entry profiles would have the advantage when it comes to the tie-breaking rule, because under the tie-breaking rule clause, it says that if more than one candidate has the lowest score, the cutoff is based on the date and time they submitted their express entry profile. So doon papasok yung, kunwari lang no, parehas kayo ng score and yun yung cut-off base. Kung sino yung pumapasok doon sa date na ibinigay ng IRCC during that draw for the tie-breaking rule, sila yung makakapasok. Kunwari lang, let's say, the CRS score was 520. Kunwari lang, ikaw and then another person, but you submitted after the tie-breaking rule date and time. May time pa silang binibigay dyan eh. Kung kunwari na yung kalaban mo ay doon pumasok sa later na date, then ibig sabihin ikaw lang yung papasok kahit 520 din sila. And then maghihintay ulit sila ng next draw. So doon papasok yung huwag kayo maghintay. If you are ready right now, then try to submit as soon as possible. Or kunwari lang, hindi pa kayo ready, no? Mag-contact na agad kayo ng immigration consultant to prepare your application para nakapasok na agad yung express entry profile niyo. Sometimes kasi a lot of people would wait until this and that. Ako lagi kong sinasabi, kailangan nasa pool na yung entry ninyo. Ganito na lang yan, no? Come to think of it. If kunwari, meron kang certain lotto numbers, no? Tapos, hindi ka naman tumaya. Kahit nasabihin mo, teka lang, ito yung lotto numbers ko. Pero nabunot na yon, nag-draw na yung lotto. Kung wala kang taya, then hindi ka din mananalo, diba? It doesn't matter. So, kunwari lang, 520 yung CRS score, and then 521 ka, kahit na 521 ka sa estimation mo, kung hindi ka naman nasa pool, paano ka mai-invite? So, that's when not waiting and also older express entry profiles would have an advantage in getting selected as a permanent resident.